Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi Buds 3 Lite and I'm going to show you how quickly you can pair them with your iPhone. So at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before pairing. And the next step, just simply open the case and remove the left and the right earbud. Once you make it, this small little tiny indicators and displays will blink just like that. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to go for the settings on your iPhone, then open the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and after a few seconds the Redmi Buds 3 Lite will appear on the list. So all you have to do, tap on them once, and after a few seconds we will be connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. And there is no any pairing mode. There is no able to move them to the pairing mode manually because they always go automatically to the pairing mode. So remember, charge the case and the earbuds inside, then just open it, remove them, and that's all. That's how we can pair these buds to any device. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.